Latisha is promising a black forest Gateau, but she's going to deconstruct it. We have a chocolate sponge. Well, we've got quite a lot of chocolate sponge right now. She's made 2 whole cakes. And we've got a chocolate shard. I hope this thing comes together as something truly beautiful. Something that Mr. Wallace wants to bathe in.
52-year-old Claire prides herself in cooking food inspired by her local surroundings.
I have a great life, living on the beach in Kent. You're miles away from anywhere. I don't have a style. I'm described by my friends as a bit random. I literally make it up as I go along, so keeping to time is going to be quite tricky.
Claire, what are you making?
Spider crab tart in a parmesan short crust pastry with samphire, some pickled radishes and some rapeseed mayonnaise.
So you love a bit of seafood?
I do, because it's there on my doorstep.
And who are you cooking for?
For my friends who live on the beach with me.
You've got loads of friends living with you on the beach?
Yeah, so we're a bit of a community down in Kent.
Hey, what do you want from this MasterChef experience?
I just thought during lockdown I need a bit of a change in my life, and I just thought this is the best challenge I could put myself up for.
Do you know what? I admire you. And I'm very much looking forward to the crab tart.
Thanks, Greg.
What we want really now is a beautifully formed tart with pastry that holds up. A lovely custard which you cut through with lots of crab, generous with crab, please. And then cayenne pepper, give it a bit of spice. If that tart doesn't turn out, we have got ourselves scrambled egg and pastry with crab on a plate. How are we doing there, Claire? You got enough filling in there?
I'm not sure I have,
Not leaking?
John. Not yet. There's always time.
No, don't do that.
Latisha, you're making a pud.
I'm going to make my take on a Black Forest Gateau. Slightly deconstructed.
Oh.
Well, it's MasterChef. I don't want to just come and serve a slab of cake. I want it to look pretty.
OK.
So I'm going to pull it apart just a little bit. This particular dessert is special to me because it's something that me and my nan share together. It's her favourite dessert, it's my favourite dessert. So I'm going to cook this one for my nan.
Latisha is promising a black forest Gateau, but she's going to deconstruct it. We have a chocolate sponge. Well, we've got quite a lot of chocolate sponge right now. She's made 2 whole cakes. And we've got a chocolate shard. I hope this thing comes together as something truly beautiful. Something that Mr. Wallace wants to bathe in.
No! Can't get the cake out. Can't get the cake out. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. How long have we got?
Right, everybody, you've got just 13 minutes.
I'm doing OK. Pretty much ready to play. Hopefully the sauce comes out good.
Clean it down, do it again. Sauce is too hot on it.
Yeah.
It's probably not the pretty design you were after. It is going a bit splodge-like. It tastes great. You do have a chocolate sponge. You've got a really lovely, rich chocolate mousse with a little bit of salt in there, which just really starts to activate your taste buds. The cherries with the kirsch gives you heat, that booze. Particularly admire your chocolate shard. I mean, that's showing a fair bit of technical work. It's a delicious splodge. The first contestant going through, Claire. Second contestant, grabbing themselves an apron and going straight through. Sophia.
Claire and Sophia, congratulations. Come and collect your aprons.
Well done.
Thank you.